Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Chapter 9 2D 3D Shapes, Exercise 9.4. Understanding 3D shapes. We have learnt about triangles, squares, rectangles, etc. in the previous classes. All these shapes are spread in two directions only and thus called two-dimensional or 2D shapes. Pictures of some objects are given below. All solid objects like the above have length, breadth and height or depth. They are thus called three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Now we will learn about various three-dimensional or 3D shapes. See now what is cuboid. The shapes like a closed matchbox are examples of a cuboid. The face of the matchbox is the plane surface on the top of the matchbox. The sides of the faces are the edges. The corners of the edges are the vertices of the matchbox. Objects like matchboxes, erasers, etc. are in the shape of a cuboid and have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. See now what is a cube. A dice is an example of a cube. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, same as that of a cuboid. We will find that the length, breadth and height of a cube are all equal, but in a cuboid they are different. See now what is a prism. Here is a diagram of a prism. 2 of its faces are in the shape of a triangle. Other faces are in the shape of a rectangle or parallelogram. It is a triangular prism. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. If the prism has a rectangular base, it is a rectangular prism. See now what is a pyramid. A pyramid is a solid shape with a base and a point vertex. The other faces are triangles. All the triangular faces meet at vertex of the prism. Here it is a square pyramid. Its base is a square. A square pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. See now what is a cylinder. Objects like a wooden log, a piece of pipe, a candle, tube light are in the shape of a cylinder. The surface on which the cylinder rolls is called its curved surface. The surface on which the cylinder does not roll but stands on vertically is the base, which is circular in shape. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and has no vertex. See now what is a cone. A cone is a 3-dimensional shape that has a flat base and a vertex. A cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. See now what is a sphere. Balls, laddus, marbles, etc. are all in the shape of a sphere. They roll freely on all sides. A sphere has 1 face and has no vertex and no edge. Identify the shape of these objects and write in the table. Matchbox is in the shape of cuboid. Ball is in the shape of sphere. Wooden log is in the shape of a cylinder. Dice is in the shape of a cube. And birthday cap is in the shape of a cone. See Euler's formula. We have seen various solids, namely cuboid, cube, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Now let us recall their faces, edges and vertices. To strengthen our knowledge about them, observe the table. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Faces plus vertices, that is 6 plus 8, that equals to 14. Edges plus 2, that is 12 plus 2, that equals to 14. This relation is called as Euler's formula. A pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Faces plus vertices, that is 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Edges plus 2, that equal to 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So we understand that F plus V equal to E plus 2. This relation is called as Euler's formula. Let us see exercise 9.4. First sum. Write the shapes of the following: a brick, a road roller, football and a joker cap. A brick has cuboid shape, road roller has cylinder shape, football has sphere shape and joker cap has cone shape. See now question number 2, fill in the blanks. The shape of heap of grain is cone shape. The shape of a dice is cube shape. The shape of a bubble is spear shape. The shape of a candle is cylinder shape. See now question number 3, match the following. Pyramid shape is fifth one, that is square pyramid. Cuboid is third one. Cylinder is fourth shape. Cone is first one and spear is second one. See now question number 4. Cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Let us see Euler's formula. Faces plus vertices, that is 6 plus 8, that is 14. Edges plus 2, that is 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Therefore Euler's formula is verified. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 6 vertices and 9 edges. Let us see Euler's formula. Faces plus vertices, that is 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Edges plus 2, that is 9 plus 2 equal to 11. A square pyramid has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges. Let us see Euler's formula. Faces plus vertices, 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Edges plus 2, that is 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Therefore Euler's formula is verified. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now let us see Euler's formula. Faces plus vertices, that is 6 plus 8 equal to 14. Edges plus 2, that equals to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Therefore Euler's formula is verified for the given shapes. Today we have seen chapter 9 2D 3D shapes, exercise 9.4 all sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.